California.
Mitten and kitten.
Yeah.
Good job.
People are smiling, making plans, hiding behind their shades, and you're doing the same.
Hey guys, and welcome back. I'm fresh out of the shower, made myself another coffee, and Sydney's playing with her tablet. What, baby?
I did.
Whoa, cool. She's playing the Homer app, which I've shared several times. I love it. It's like an awesome mix of educational and fun. So she's just doing that while I took my shower and I'm getting myself ready for the day. I do have an affiliate link in the description box if you guys want to get a 30-day free trial. Absolutely recommend and love that app. I'm so cold. I need to put on some makeup. I did take off my fake lashes and I'm going to put them back on. It was just time, so I took them off and I'm gonna redo that later today. We have some trick-or-treating going on this evening, so Sydney's excited. We're gonna do costumes and have fun. I hope that
Can I tell you what my costume is? My costume is the Oogie Boogie Man for Nightmare Before Christmas. We have Nightmare Before Christmas on the TV and Halloween Town too.
What is Mama gonna be?
Jack Skellington.
Yeah. I hope you understood all that. Yeah, she's gonna be Oogie Boogie from Nightmare Before Christmas. She's been obsessed with that movie since last year. So I'm gonna be Jack Skellington and we're gonna go trick-or-treating today. What else on the agenda? I did just get in Sydney's winter coat. Probably not like a snow coat, but more of like a winter coat if it's not snowing and mornings are cold and whatnot, like playing outside at school. So I'm gonna go ahead and open that. I got that from H&M. Totally went with a different color. Usually I go with that blush pink or, well, actually I guess one year I went purple or green neutral, but this year I went purple because I just liked the way that it looked on the website. This is not the color that I thought it was. This is like a lilac purple, and online it looked like a dark berry purple. I mean, it's cute, it's fine, I'm not gonna return it, I guess. I just totally thought it was like a dark berry purple. You know how online pictures go, but anyway, that'll be perfect. I don't know, it looks small. I got her a 4T. I guess I'm gonna have to try it on her. We'll see. Anyway, it'll be nice and warm if it fits her. We'll see. I don't know. You want to test? Oh, you want a tissue? Okay. She has had just a cold for 2 months now. It's ridiculous. But anyway, that's what we're doing today. Day in the life. Let's see how easy this is this time. Okay, subtle but there. I have this eye on. I would say it was like a 7 out of 10 as far as difficulty goes this time. The first time was like a 9.5 out of 10 for difficulty, so it definitely got a little easier. It's still not easy, but 7 out of 10 as far as difficulty goes. So I kind of love them a lot because it's not like the crazy strip lashes that I used to wear. I mean, I might try thicker lashes. These ones are definitely the more subtle natural look, which I was too rough with that one, which I definitely really like, but just makes me feel a little more feminine.
So, this is how I got in your tummy. This is, Mama, this is how I get in the up. So, I fall in the up. And God said to me, honey boo boos, as I thought. And then God control around me and then make me turn and then make me alive. And then God walked me to your tummy and then you opened wide and then you eated me and then I could go down here and I growed it until this tall. That's it. Now I'm going to turn up my piano.
Okay. Do you want to make some pumpkin chocolate chip cookies?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, I got my little helper. We are going to make...
And look, I have...
and Sydney has her helpers.
I have this helper. I have this helper. And I have this helper. And I have this helper. And
Yeah.
that's it, guys.
Okay. She decided to... She was going to get dressed. And then this is what she decided on. Do you like your outfit choice?
Yeah, these guys fit today.
Yeah, it goes really well. So cute. So I have all of our stuff out to make the pumpkin chocolate chip cookies. I just figured, you know, why not? Why not just make them another time since we're getting all the candy? We might as well have more sweets. And Sydney enjoys them. They're really easy to make. The recipe is in my fall recipes if you guys are interested. All right, so we need 1 cup sugar. Okay, girl. Mama's gonna do the... Actually, we'll put that in the bottom there. Ah!
It's okay.
All right, can you pour that in the bowl, please? Okay, sugar?
Did it.
Done. I need you to scoop pumpkin from here and fill this, okay? Can you handle that?
Mmm. Mmm. Mommy,
What?
put a pumpkin in my mouth.
No rain, no flowers, nothing's growing where your heart is fire. But baby, I bet you're cold without me, even when it's 90 degrees. Without me, I bet that you can get any sleep in that bed, lying awake. 'Cause I'm not there beside you, keeping you warm at night. No, I bet you're cold. You're so damn cold. It never rains in California. The sun is always shining bright. But if the sky would open up, you're staying home, you don't get out. You always used to love the rain. LA
Now you're gonna make me strong.
There ain't no flowers, nothing's growing where
Crazy girl. Every time. Every time. Okay, can you put some chocolate chips in here, please? We'll just shake a little bit in here. Okay? 2 hands. Not all of them. A little bit more. Oh, okay. Good job. Are they good?
Yeah. I can pull it.
But baby, I bet you're cold without me, even when it's 90 degrees. Without me, I bet that you can get any sleep.
So Sydney is now saying she wants to read. She just went and got her Bob books. We haven't done these in a little bit, so these are like really good beginning reader little books. So we're gonna read some of these. Okay, which one do you want to start with? Let's do actually,
Stop.
well, let's do book number 1. We'll do book number 1, then 2, 3, and 4. So that we do them in order, okay? So book number 1. All right, so what does that say? Mat. Good job. Say it again. Mat. Okay. What's that one say? Matt.
Matt.
What sound does S make?
A set.
Who's that?
Sam.
Sam!
M.
M says M.
Matt.
Matt.
Sat.
Sat.
On.
On. Sound it out. Sam.
Matt sat on Sam.
Good job. Sydney's in costume. I was trying to make a reel. We'll see if I got anything, because I'm not really good at this stuff. Let me see. Do a spin, Mr. Oogie Boogie Man. Whoa. Is it comfortable? You good to trick or treat?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's this? Hang on.
Okay, all costumed up. I am Jack Skellington. This will not, I'm like busting out of this thing. I'm about to go trick-or-treating. It's fun. It's fun to dress up. At first I was like, you know, it's actually been a really long time since I've bought a costume and dressed up for Halloween. So I think this is gonna be really fun. Sydney's going to the bathroom now, and I'm gonna try to take a picture and load us into the car. We're off and we're ready. Are we ready? Yeah. Are you ready to go trick-or-treating? Yeah. I love you. It's kind of fun. I'm excited, actually.